Niti Aayog has announced incentives to encourage digital transactions at panchayat level. It has also asked digital magistrates to ensure that financial transactions in the district and subordinate organizations are and on e-platforms. As per the plan, an incentive of ₹10 will be given to the district administration for every individual who has shifted to digital payment mode and has made at least 2 digital transactions for day-to-day activities like selling and buying goods or services. The Aayog has already given up to ₹5 lakh to every district to kickstart the process.
To promote cashless economy, Niti Aayog has initiated an incentive scheme, and the DMs of every district have been given the responsibility to get this scheme implemented at the grassroots level. I have with me the DM of Noida, Mr. Nagendra Pratap Singh. Let's talk to him and find out what is this initiative and what is this incentive all about. So what is this scheme?
In fact, today only we have received a letter from the CEO of Niti Aayog, Mr. Amitabh Kant, describing the incentives to the district collectors and deputy commissioners to promote digital cashless economy in the country.
Sir, what kind of incentive is initiated in this?
In fact, the letter says that ₹5 lakh will be sent to the district immediately to undertake the campaign for the information and communication to the needy cross-section, to the target group, and ₹10 to the collectors for each individual and merchant who will be using any 5 of the transaction mode of the digital mode of the transaction, whether it is a unified payment interface, USSD, Aadhaar-enabled payments, debit card, prepaid card, credit card, and the wallets. Any 2 of the digital transaction, if any individual will be connected, ₹10 as incentive. Similarly to the CSE operators, also ₹100 for merchants and ₹10 for the individuals.
Sir, how will you identify the person who has to be given this ₹10 incentive?
In fact, I have called the meeting of all the entrepreneurs, labor unions, and all the stakeholders in the labor market, and the bankers also, and our officers, and we will devise some mechanism which will be transparent enough.
So there you heard the DM saying it's challenging and at the same time very interesting. With cameraman Dubey, this is Vishal Beristo, DD News, Noida.